We learned just today that there will be a referendum on the November ballot regarding the appropriate place of the Office of Attorney General in the D.C. government. So this is an opportunity for those of you to have a position on that, to try to persuade this room as to how they ought to vote on that referendum in November. Mayor Fenty, you want to go ahead first on that one?
Sure. I mean, the bill has already passed the council, and I've already signed the bill, so I am on record as supporting it. Or I think actually we didn't veto it. There's 3 different levels of mayoral involvement on a piece of legislation. You can sign it, you can veto it, or you can not sign it. I think this one I didn't sign, which essentially means it gets passed. We had a couple of issues with the bill, but not enough issues to veto it.
Chairman Gray?
Well, I heartily support it. I voted just yesterday to conduct a referendum. The council passed legislation that would have an elected attorney general in 2014, and we put it on the referendum. We put it on the legislative agenda of the council yesterday and approved it unanimously in order to be able to move forward with a referendum. So I heartily support it. It's one that's done. This is the approach that's used by many states. And frankly, I hope we will continue to even more aggressively, which we will under my administration, aspire to be the 51st state in the nation. And that's one of the ways of aspiring to be that and accomplishing it.
Mr. Alexander?
I support it 100%. I think this office is long overdue as far as having an independent office to make sure that they're not only keeping up with the affairs of the mayor, but also the legislative branch as well. This should have happened, as far as I'm concerned, in the beginning since home rule. That office should have been there. So the fact that it's going to be on the ballot, I'm going to vote yes for it. I'm going to also encourage all of my supporters also to support this initiative.
Okay, thank you very much.